Want to effortlessly share your Express app with the world? Let's get your Node.js Express app live on the web first. You'll want to initialize your project if you haven't already. Then create all the necessary files for your Express application. Don't forget to install the necessary dependencies. Create your Express application with roots and static files now. Access your GitHub repository. Either create a new one or use an existing one. Once your code is pushed to GitHub, you can configure the deployment. In your GitHub repository, navigate to the Actions tab. You'll need to set up a continuous integration and continuous deployment CI/CD workflow. You usually need setup files like GitHub workflows. Next, you'll need a workflow file. Select a Node.js template or create a new one. This file will tell GitHub how to build, test, and deploy your app. You will need to ensure steps for installing dependencies and building the application, usually using a tool like npm or yar. Configure a deployment section in your workflow file. This includes things like pushing to GitHub Pages or deploying to a hosting service like Netlify or Vercel, and setting the final directory of where you deploy your app. Finally, commit those changes and watch as GitHub Actions automates the deployment process. Once complete, access your app through its GitHub Pages URL or your hosting services URL. Congratulations! Your Express application is now live, accessible to everyone.